Hi friends, let me show you this new solar camping light that I received for reviewing purposes, okay? As you can see, it comes with a really nice bag to carry with you. Okay, it comes with a charging cable, okay? Okay, it has two cables, okay, because you can use it also as an external battery, okay? Let me show you. You charge it with the USB-C port, and you can get energy from it through a USB-A port. So you can use it also as an external battery. As you can see, it has the solar panels here. So when you are outside, when you're camping, you get to charge it with the sun. And you get different light options and intensities. So you can put it in your tent or in your mobile kitchen or whatever, and have the light you need to work, to cook, I don't know, to go to a restroom, whatever you need to do while you're camping. And you will have the possibility to have the battery is charged with the sun, okay, or with a charging cable, and even getting some of the energy from the battery to your devices if you are in an emergency and you need to charge anything, your phone or your tablet or whatever, okay? So if you like to go out, if you like to go camping, this is a really, really nice lamp to bring with you and have the light you need everywhere. Thank you.